Professor, good evening class. This is Kevin Rappa. This is my assignment 1 for the Morse code. So here's my setup right here. It's pretty much as simple as I could make it, I think. So I have pin 13 set as an output here. It's going to this resistor and then to this LED diode and then back to ground. So once again, pretty much as simple as I can make it. The only way I can make it simpler, I think, is just use onboard LED. To be honest, I'm not much of a hardware guy, so I don't know if the resistor is necessary. I guess I'm just afraid of breaking something by passing too high of a voltage through the LED. So I'm just pretty much copying what I saw a guy on a tutorial do for just lighting up a simple LED, and he used a resistor. So like I said, I don't know if the resistor is necessary, so I'd be curious if someone could enlighten me, I guess, on that. But anyway, so it pretty much just loops over strings and prints the Morse code encodings for each character. Not much magic to it, so I'll give SOS, which I do know is ... dash 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 ... So I'll press enter. And then any spaces does support spaces, so if I do A, B, C with space in between, it will print, or rather just delay between each character. So it's E and then C. And then some other error checking is uppercase will be, well, this isn't an error, but this is just an edge case. If they're uppercase, they'll be lowercase. So once again, same thing, SOS. And then if I just do like a bunch of like garbage that doesn't really have a Morse encoding like this, it just delays. One way I think make this better is by pre-verifying the string doesn't contain any of these characters, so that there's no wait, since it does loop through every character even if it's not printable. So like verifying it and then printing an error at the beginning, like a quick sequence of blips on the LED or some indication that the string wasn't correct or isn't printable would be nice. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks.